Hello, welcome to Flexily Applications. This session is about recruitment part 3. In part 1 and part 2, we've already covered how to create a requirement in the system, how to align a candidate with the requisitions, and how to manage the CSL, which is the interview process. Now, in this particular session, we are going to discuss how to manage the offer of that particular candidate. So, let's just start. Now, let's find a person for whom we can conduct the offer process. So let's say not submitted. So the basic details, when you come to the screen, you need to add on who is the point of contact. So let's say the point of contact is Satya. Then the buddy. So buddy would be, let's say, Satya only, or anybody you want to assign. Then first day of location is Gurgaon. Date of joining is, let's say, from 1st April. Then candidate maximum date to reply is 31st March. Total years of experience. Then total experience month. What is job type? So if you see, the data is automatically populated here. So whatever data we put in the requisition, it fetches from that screen and put it here on this screen. So yes, and then you save it. So okay, we need to also add on the supervisor. So let's add on the supervisor and then close it. So once you close it, you can see this color has changed to green. That means the data is saved in the basic detail screen. Now let's move to the CTC detail screen. So if you want to add on the current CTC of this person, you can do that, and what the total CTC you are offering. So let's say if you are offering this person 5 lakh. So when you click outside this form, you can see the total CTC has gone in the fixed CTC. Now if you want to add on any variable, you can do that. So if you want to add on any variable, let's say if the out of 5 lakhs, 50,000 is the variable. When you just type 50,000 and click outside the form, so the fixed CTC will change according to whatever input you give to the variable pay feed. Coming to the next section, if you see, the data is automatically filled according to the annexure that we've configured in the system. So whatever prism that you follow, whatever annexure that you have for a particular range, let's say 5 to 10 lakhs, or maybe for 10 to 15 lakhs, there could be different kind of variables, there could be different kind of components. So the prisms are defined accordingly, and you can simply come here and just choose if you want to change on any range, and then you can simply save it. So just choose the PF calculation type, no PF, on ceilings, on wages. So let's say on ceilings. So the PF calculation is on ceiling, and now you just save it. So once you save the data and close it, you can see this color has changed to green. Now the status is not submitted, so let's just submit it for the approval. Now if you want to have an auto approval system here, you can do that, or if you want somebody, maybe a finance person, to approve this offer, then that can also be done. So let's just send it to approver. If you see, we have selected status to be not submitted, so the entry has moved to pending for approval. So let's just check where it is pending. It is pending at Mahadev Tripathi. So let's just switch from this person and approve this request. Now he goes to MSS. Then under MSS, there is a candidate offer approval. He can simply go to action and approve it. So once he approves it, we can come back, go to manage offers. Now the process is approved. So let's just search the approval status. So if you see, the entry is reflecting here. So now I can take action. So if I click on this action button, it takes me to three options: whether I want to send offer to candidate, change offer details, change date of joining. So in case I want to change offer details, I can do that. It will take me to this screen again, basic details and CTC, and whatever maybe a designation or salary I want to edit, I can do that. But then it goes to the approver again for the approval. Send it to candidate directly, then you can do that. You just need to click on this, select comment, whatever comment you want to add on. If you want to preview the offer letter, you can do that. So when you open this, you can see that this is how the offer looks like, and you can move on to the send offer to the candidate. So when you send offer to the candidate, your status moves to offer letter sent. Now, for example, we've sent the offer letter. There are other options that get enabled for us to work on. Let's say send offer to candidate again, offer accepted, offer rejected, change offer details, change date of joining. So in case you want to change the details again, then you can click on this, and then these forms will get enabled for you to make actions, and then again you need to get it approved from the approver. Similarly, if you want to send offer to the candidate again, you would be able to do it. If the offer is accepted by the candidate, then you can move him to the offer accepted. And if the offer is rejected by the candidate, then you can move him to the offer rejected. So now there are multiple options that are enabled for me. If I want to send offer to the candidate again, if I want to change the details again of the candidate, I can do that. If I want to transfer the employee, transfer as in I want to convert candidate to employee, I can do that. If I want to put this person on higher loss, if the person is not joining, then this person is higher loss. Or if I want to change offer details again and then send the offer again to the candidate, this is the option to do that. We convert a candidate into an employee in the system. But let's say if we want to choose the onboarding module and we want to initiate the onboarding. So let's say if you want to initiate the onboarding, then we give the option of onboarding initiation here in the action only. And then when you click on initiate onboarding, it will initiate the onboarding of that particular candidate. And then the candidate moves to the onboarding module, wherein he needs to add on the details and perform different tasks. And then from onboarding module, we convert that candidate into employee. So this is how the recruitment works in the system. Thank you so much for joining us today.